Hello everyone, welcome to Roshi's Kitchen Tales. Keeping up to the promise that I made on my Instagram and Facebook page, today we are going to be treating ourselves with not just one but two super quick and simple desserts. So let's get started. In a ceramic and microproof mug, I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil or melted butter. Then goes in 1 to 2 drops of vanilla essence, about half a tablespoon of condensed milk. Remember, we are going to be making oats and banana mug cake. Now bananas are already sweet and hence we are reducing the quantity of condensed milk. Then goes in a pinch of cinnamon powder, 1.5 tablespoons of mashed bananas, and mix. Notice how the wet ingredients have well combined and have become light and fluffy. It's a good time to add in powdered oats. I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of powdered oats here. Then goes in half a pinch of baking soda, a pinch of baking powder, and then to balance the entire sweetness, just a pinch of salt. Now mix it again. Now I've got the space to add in the 4th tablespoon of oats powder, and then I will mix it again. Please ensure there are no lumps, so you kindly mix it properly. Once everything is well combined, you will add just about 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it. Always remember, milk is always supposed to be the last ingredient that should be added to your cake, because after that you are not supposed to be overbeating the cake. Now once done, microwave it on the highest setting for 90 seconds. In my case, it's 900 watt. Now I always suggest to keep an eye while it is baking, because this cake has a tendency to rise beautifully and then fall shortly after. Now I prefer having my mug cakes when they are slightly warm, so I go ahead and top it with banana slices, sprinkle cinnamon powder over it, and drizzle some honey or another topping variation of banana, oats and chocolate syrup. By all means, you can make this mug cake completely vegan by adding coconut oil or coconut milk instead of butter or regular oil and milk. Now let's get started to make another mug cake therapy, which is crumbly Nutella mug cake. I've taken 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of condensed milk, and 1 heaped tablespoon of Nutella in a ceramic and a microwave safe mug. Combine all the wet ingredients together until it is light and fluffy. Whisk it properly. Then goes in 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, a tablespoon of cocoa powder, a pinch of baking powder and half a pinch of baking soda. And then you mix it properly. I forgot to add the salt in here. You may please add it in. And also to bring out the chocolatey flavor, you can add about half a teaspoon of coffee powder in this. And lastly, when the mixture is well combined, please add 2 tablespoons of milk in this and mix it well. Now microwave it for 90 seconds. Now if you don't like the crumbly texture, by all means you can reduce the time and cook it for about 1 minute and 15 seconds or so. Dust it with powdered sugar and add a piece of chocolate and dive right in. So here's my way of expressing gratitude to each and every one of you who have showered love and support in past a week and a half. Thank you.